everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to do the first installment of the bow series that I had said I was going to start on my channel. So what we are making today is this type of bow, and it comes in all kinds of styles, and I'm going to give you an idea of what it looks like. You can use it in all kinds of different ways. For the edges, you can use a pair of these type of scissors to cut the sides, and this is the one I'm using. This cardstock is cut at 4 inches by 4 inches. You need the width because it's longer. The border is wider. So I'm just going to score it first and then die cut it. So I'll show you how that's done when you have a border that looks like that. So we're going to do it every 1/4 of an inch again. That's how it looks. So to get both sides even, we are going to turn it on the opposite side. And die cut it that way. So this is what we have so far. Now I'm going to take this one, clean this one out. Now I'm going to turn it this way and cut it on this side. So when you have a die that's like that, you have to cut them on opposite sides of the paper. Okay, so this is what I have because both sides are cut. So again, this one is 4 inches by 4 inches because you need that extra space for the wider border. Okay, so I have my strip to put in the middle. I'm going to turn it to this side and put some hot glue in the center. Press that down like that. Okay, I'm going to hold and wrap it around. Just get all your glue strings off. And cut it off. I'm just going to cut more so you don't have to see that hanging off. Okay, so I'm going to flip it. So this is what it looks like before it's fanned out. And then we're just going to fan it out. if you have any thing to cut off, you can cut that off. Snip that off at the bottom so it looks more like a bow. Same thing here. Gonna cut these off, make it more round. So here you have it. And that's how you make it. So here's that bow right here. That's how that one turns out. Really, really pretty. So bring all the bows back. This is how that style bow turns out. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll give this a try. I'll link all the dies I use in the description box below. If you don't have them, then again you can use this type of scissors to make the style bow for the edges. The technique is the same. Okay, so take care and I hope you have a fabulous day.